Hey, hello everyone. So I just solved today's problem and I'll discuss it with you guys also. So what is the problem statement here? Let's start discussing with that. So find the prefix common array of two arrays we have been given. So what is the exact requirement? First of all, what are the conditions we have been given? We have been given that we will have a permutation of A and B as two vectors of length n. So permutation here means every single character from 1 to n will be there exactly one time, and it can be shuffled as it can be like 3 to 1, 1 to 3, 2 1 3, and if n equals to 3. So this is what we have been given. Now second thing we have been given is we have to find a common prefix common array. What is prefix common array here? To define that, I'll say up to first index only, what are the total number of numbers that are present in both of the arrays, or I'll say sub arrays. Up to first, none, because it is 1, it is 3, and before that there is no index, so 0. 1 and 3, and 3 and 1, so there are two numbers which are present in both of the sub arrays. Then we have 132, 312. Now it is 3, and 1324 and 3124, it is 4. So it is an easy problem. Now what different approaches we can have, I'll discuss the with you guys one by one. First thing that is everyone can do is do two for loops big O of n square, and we can easily count number of similar occurrences either through set or through map or through vector as a frequency measure. Okay, uh, I'll repeat it again. We can go for a two for loops, like let's say we have been this now. And okay, and let's say mm-hmm, mm-hmm. What I'm exactly doing is I'm just showing you guys that with the two for loops we can have with the two for loops we can solve this problem, but in the later part I'll show you we can do it in with a single for loop. Okay, yeah, just sorry guys, I was just like focusing on different thing. uh, Insert AI, yes, and what we will do is we'll check if st.find having bi in it or not. Okay, and if st have that, then definitely we will count plus plus. hmm? After this, like doing all this, we can just simply have a vector in which we will just store the answer. Okay, return answer, I guess. And it will work with no issues. Let's am I doing something wrong? BJ. But as you can see, we have like far slower code. So what we will do is we'll optimize it, and we will do this in big O of n. We are already using big O of n space complexity, so we'll again use big O of n space complexity, but with big O of n time complexity. How we will going to do this? Let's check out. Okay, so let's say we have another vector with frequency. Its size will be similar, like n plus 1 comma 0 and one more vector, that is our answer. It will be yes. Now we'll go similarly from first character, and what we'll do is we'll go if frequency of ai plus plus, then if frequency of ai equals to 2, which can be the maximum. 2 is max, 0 is minimum, and 1 if it is either present in A or B, and if it is present in both, then we will increase our count. Okay, initially count 0. Similarly, frequency of bi plus plus, and if frequency of bi equals to 2, then we can again count plus plus. Easy peasy, and we'll just store it in our answer. Answer equals to count. And return answer. Let's check out. See, we got 100% time complexity. So the thing that we are doing here is we are using with single for loop, and it is not that much of big of a deal. Like when you will do a lot of different kind of questions, then you can start figuring out the patterns in these type of the questions. It in the first scenario, anyone can go for the brute force, that is two for loops in nested loops. But if we will go with this flow, then that this problem becomes a little bit tricky. When someone starts solving the questions, he just drop by doing the first thing. But try to optimize your problem as much as possible. It will be beneficial for you guys and for your future too. So see you guys, take care, bye bye.